Hi guys, this is gsm.com and I'm here with a $1,000 phone with Swarovski crystals. It's got 34 crystals at the back side and a 26 facet Swarovski crystal on the frame. This is the Motorola Razr 60 Swarovski Crystal Edition with 3 extra crystals here. And once again, it's $1,000 here in Romania. You also get a bundle, the headphones Moto Buds Loop with acoustics by Bose. Each of the headphones carries 34 Swarovski crystals, which look beautiful. Now this design is similar maybe a bit to the Huawei Free Clip, but the battery life is quite impressive, something like 37 hours with this dock. You can also get 8 hours from each headphone. 12mm drivers, Bose acoustics, and you can trigger Moto AI simply by using them. Now the phone itself, you probably know it already, I've already reviewed it. It has IP48 certification, measures 15.9mm in thickness, and when you open it up, it measures 7.3mm. Now the setup is, I would say, rather mid-range on account of the whole MediaTek Dimensity 7400X processor inside. I'm actually curious to see which version they're offering here, and I'm talking about a version which comes with 8 gigs of RAM plus an extra 4 via the RAM boost feature. You can also add up to 16 gigs of RAM, which is actually not that bad. The phone itself comes with Moto AI and with access to Google Gemini. It has a 6.9-inch main screen which falls down the middle like this. The crease is slightly visible. The external side of things, you're getting a 3.6-inch screen and it has Gorilla Glass Victus protection. And also you can access full screen applications from here, no problem. For example, let's go back. You can access Google Photos as a full screen app, Google Maps, Google Gemini, and so forth. Even some video games are available, as well as those panels. And of course, if you really want to, you can use these external cameras as the main cameras of the device. 50-megapixel main shooter and 13-megapixel ultra-wide shooter. The main one has autofocus, and the camera features included here are the following: slow motion, video, photo, portrait, mirror, and photo mode. This is the handset, and once again it comes with Moto AI. You should be able to find Moto AI here. You can ask or search, you can say catch me up, pay attention, remember this or magic canvas. This can be triggered from the headphones as well with a special audio command. In the cutout here we have a 32-megapixel camera for the selfies, and the device itself also comes with a bigger battery compared to the Galaxy Z Flip 7. I'm talking about a 4,500 mAh battery with 30-watt charging, which is actually superior to the latest Galaxy Z Flip. The fingerprint scanner is mounted on the side in this power button here. You also have volume buttons, and this is the SIM tray where you insert your SIM. I think that's pretty much it. Stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos are available, and once again, it's a 188-gram phone. Pretty light if you consider it's a foldable handset. However, if you ask me, I honestly would have made the Razr 60 Ultra such a precious edition with Swarovski crystals. Probably the most neat thing is that when it's cushioned, has a cushion backside texture, and when you open it up like this, you can see the hidden Swarovski crystal. It's a big one with 26 facets. So if your girlfriend or wife wants this as a present for Christmas, you should probably get it, because you're getting 1 extra year of warranty and a pair of kick-ass headphones with 12mm drivers and Bose acoustics. That's it from gsm.com. Goodbye.